Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we learned how to use the plus operator after a class name in the return type pattern. And we proved live that plus extends the pointcut to match the specified type and all its subclasses. Now, in this video, we are going to go one step further. What if you do not want to target a specific class? What if you want to target any class inside an entire package? For example, instead of saying match methods returning user DTO, you want to say match methods returning any class inside commd and derpund DTO. That is a completely different level of flexibility. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. So instead of specifying one class, we specify a package. And Spring AOP will match any method that returns any class from that package. Alright, follow my screen carefully. We want to match methods that return any class from a specific package. The syntax is very simple. First, write the full package path,
followed by a dot,
followed by a asterisk wildcard. Let's read this. com.gan.derpund.dto.**. This means, match any class inside the com.gan.derpund.dto package. So any method that returns user DTO, premium user, order DTO, or any other class inside the DTO package, will be intercepted. This is very important. The asterisk after the package path means, any class directly inside this package. Not subpackages. Just this package. Alright, to make our test more meaningful, let's create a new class inside the DTO package. I am creating an order class.
Alright, next step.
Let's create a new method in the demo service class. That returns the order object. Alright, now let's call createOrder from the controller.
Alright, look at the screen.
Our controller endpoint now has 4 method calls in this order. First, createUser, returns user DTO
in DTO package.
Second, getPremiumUser, returns premium user
in DTO package. Third, createOrder, returns order DTO in DTO package. Fourth, displayMessage, returns string, not in DTO package.
Alright, let's look at our pointcut expression one more time before we run. Focus on the return type, com.gan.derpund.dto.**. This is telling Spring. Only intercept methods that return a class from the com.gan.derpund.dto package. The asterisk after the package path means, any class directly inside this package. User DTO, premium user, order DTO, all of them. But string, not in this package, ignored. Now, let's start the application and see exactly what happens.
Hit the API.
Alright, look at the console carefully. Let's read through this together.
First, controller log.
Next, aspect log fires for create user. Why? Because create user method returns user DTO, and user DTO lives in com.again.derpun.dto.
Package match. Intercepted.
Then, create user method log. Method ran after the advice. Next, aspect log fires for premium create user. Why? Because premium create user method returns premium user, and premium user is also in com.gan.derpun.dto.
Package match. Intercepted.
Then, premium create user method log. Method ran after the advice. Next, aspect log fires for create order. Why? Because create order method returns order DTO, and order DTO is also in com.gan.derpun.dto.
Package match. Intercepted.
Then, create order method log. Method ran after the advice. And finally, display message method log printed directly. No aspect log before it. Why? Because display message method returns string. And string is not in com.gan.derpun.dto.
No package match. Ignored completely.
This is the complete proof. Package level return type matching, working perfectly. 3 classes from the DTO package, all intercepted. 1 string outside the package, completely ignored. Alright, now it is your turn. We just proved that com.gan.derpun.dto. Intercepts methods returning any class from the DTO package. Now, I want you to test one more scenario yourself. Create a new class in a different package, not DTO, and see what happens.
Try it.
Drop your findings in the comments. And that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we continue with the return type pattern. So make sure you do not miss that. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.